feel like this is starting to become a typical vlogging spot. Anyway, today I am vlogging because I've got quite a few things to do and I'm just gonna be at home. So I figured I would vlog. And then painting today. I am painting my backsplash, my ugly, ugly backsplash. I hate this backsplash so much. So we are under lockdown, so I figured let's paint it. So that's what I'm gonna do today. I primed it already, and then you will see what it'll look like after, but it is awful. I don't like it. So I'm gonna paint that. I have some sewing to do, yard work to do, laundry to do, just a lot of things here. So I figured I'd take you guys along. So let's get to painting because I'm very tired of looking at the ugly backsplash. And this is the backsplash. I hate it. It is so bad. I don't like the backsplash at all. The person who put it in here before, well, the person who lived here before was very bad at taking care of their home. So anyway, once we redo the kitchen, like when we redo the countertops, then we can remove the backsplash. But if we remove the backsplash right now, there's going to be a ton of glue on the wall. So it's better just to paint over it for now because I really don't like the color. I thought it was going to be like gray, but it's kind of white. Like, that's pretty bright. It's called Radisson, so it's better than what I have now. So let's get to painting. Okay, Google, play Justin Bieber Peaches.
Playing Justin Bieber on Spotify.
First coat done. I'm gonna wait for that to dry. I also did the other side. Now I'm actually doing an everyday scrunchie bundle because we went back into lockdown. I just want to make like an everyday scrunchie bundle because we're gonna be at home and a lot of us are gonna have our hair up in a scrunchie. So I'm gonna make like a little bundle of 3 everyday scrunchies that you can wear at home or if you're going to do groceries. So I'm gonna do that, and then I wanna go outside and do some yard work. So that's our plan. I chose these 3. This one's just a really nice gray scrunchie. I chose this one because it's plaid. It has a little bit of colors. I chose that one, and then I chose this one because it's literally nice for every day. The material is actually made from an upcycled t-shirt, so it's just so soft. So I thought these were just a nice everyday bundle. You can wear them with almost every single outfit. You know, you can wear them for daytime, loungewear, nighttime. So I chose these 3, and I don't know if I ever showed you guys, but my business cards came in, which is really nice. So where is it here? Let's turn this around. That is where you can find me. I don't always put everything on my Etsy. The majority of it is on my Instagram and my Facebook. And if you're not from Canada, you can message me and we can talk about shipping. But anyway, here's the 3. I'm going to post this on my Facebook and Instagram, and then we're gonna go do yard work. I just wanted to finish like raking up all the leaves, getting all the like sticks that were just like laying there gone, clean it up a little bit. And then there's like these old broken like lights that don't even work on the fence anymore, so I want to take those out one day, but that'll be another day because I'm done with the backyard for today. This is dry, so I'm going to actually do the second coat on here, and then I may go to the front yard and start raking that. We will see, but let's do another coat on here and go from there. Obviously, it's not like my favorite to have sheets, but like I said, once the countertop can come out, then we can take all the sheets out and do a better backsplash. But for now, it's looking pretty good. So here is coat number 2. It's looking a lot better. I'm gonna do one more coat. I even have it on this side as well. But for right now, I'm gonna have a cupcake. This is actually a lactose-free cupcake. Like, so pretty. So good. So I actually ended up making this sign right here. This was actually just like a sample marble tile. So I did my vinyl letters and of course my German Shepherd Scarlet and a paw print. And been taking like random clips throughout the day. Now I'm downstairs. I am going to finish a custom order that I've been working on. I believe it was 14 keychains, 4 mugs, 2 candles, and 6 scrunchies. I think that's what it was. So anyway, I only have 1 mug and 1 keychain left to do. So I really want to get that done, and I want to get it packed so I can bring it to the post office tomorrow. But I actually got a cause box, and I don't know if I want to do a video on this box or not. So when I got this box, it was in a really like rough shape. Like there's so much just like tape, and it was so badly beaten up. And then when I got it, actually there was only 3 items in the actual box itself. There was no booklet explaining anything, there was no postcard, and this kettle actually just came looking like this. And the handle of it, I know they say it's like a brushed gold, but it looks like it's not even like, I don't know, it just doesn't look really good. I don't know if you can see, but like, see how it looks almost like it's chipped? I know it's a handmade item and it's supposed to be like brushed gold, but it almost just seems like it is so just like kind of scratched up and beat up. Like right there, you can see here too, like the whole kettle, it just came so like odd. So anyway, I got the other 3 items because I did send them a message, and I still didn't get a postcard or a box explaining anything. So I don't even know if I really want to like do an unboxing of this, because I'll be really honest with you, I really wasn't impressed. And I actually canceled my auto subscription, so I am getting the spring box. I guess we'll see if the spring box is any better, but right now I just feel like I got a box of stuff. Everybody was always saying how like great CauseBox was and intentional CauseBox was, and I don't know if mine maybe got like searched or I don't know, but it's just like there's just the box itself. Like normally FabFitFun ones I can just repurpose or I can use as gift boxes. This one I can't. The stuff that I got, it was just like, here's a box of stuff. There's no explanation of anything. There's no like postcard or anything. And I just feel like for Canadians, like this box was $86. You know, so I don't know if I want to come on here and do like a dedicated video like showing everything. If you want to see that, let me know. I may do it. I'm not like writing CauseBox off because they did send me the items. They did answer back. It's just for myself personally. I have gotten so many subscription boxes from FabFitFun and nothing like that really ever happened. So Anyway, I guess we'll see with the spring box. I also just feel like for Canadians, like $86, I know it's every season, but it's just a little bit expensive, and maybe that's just because I'm a more minimal person, so I don't see the reason why I need stuff and to pay that amount. But anyway, I am going to get working on those orders. I need to charge my camera, oh my goodness. I need to charge my battery for my camera. So I'll charge the camera battery, I'll work on the order, and then I'll meet you guys while my dog's outside. I'm going to be doing yoga tonight, and I'm also going to be taking her out for a walk. I was going to do like an outdoor workout, but I've been outside in the front yard, taking out garden stones, raking the front yard. I've been in the backyard all day. I've been painting, and I just feel like yoga for a good stretch and a nice walk with the dog is what I need. I'll try and film some yoga clips. I just finished packing the order, so now I am just going to make a thank you card. So I got my envelope, and I had actually bought a ton of cards from Michael's when they were having a sale, so that's good. Okay, and I'll include a nice thank you card. So I thought I would share with you that I am going to do like a little giveaway on my Facebook and Instagram page, and I think I'm going to do it open in Ontario because I know that so many of us are under lockdown right now and could use just a little boost. So this is a Nature's Aid shampoo and a conditioner. They're brand new. I do like Nature's Aid. I also have a multivitamin face mask. I have a scrunchie, and then I'm also going to include, I think, like a sample of my wax melts. So I've been planning that. I think I'm going to do it next week. So if you're from Ontario, make sure to go follow me on my Facebook and Instagram page. It's going to be linked down below. You can find me here at these places. So anyway, that's what I'm thinking, just to kind of boost someone's mood, because I know lockdown is hard on everybody. So I thought that it would be nice just to do one for Ontario wide. It's currently the next day, and I'm going to be ending the vlog. I was editing the vlog, but then I thought I would update you on how the backsplash is going. So I'm going to show you what I'm currently at, and then maybe I will do another vlog and then post that next week. But I want to share with you how the backsplash is looking. It is looking so much better. I still don't like the sheets, but it's going to be so much better until we can actually redo the kitchen. So just a brief reminder, this was the color, and here is what it's looking like. So much better. I did 2 coats of primer, 1 coat of paint, and I have 2 coats left. Hopefully next time you guys see me, I will be in a kitchen where this is gone and it is looking better. And I will see you all in the next one very soon. Bye.